Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing some ocean plants. So there's some where it's like it's kind of like popping out, and it's gonna be really colorful, and it's gonna be so it's kind of like crazy plants where it's not just like a regular plant in the ocean. It's more of like a crazy plant for like for imagination or something. And there's some waves up top. And I hope you enjoy this video. You can do the flicks if you want. There's some things where you can do salt. Alcohol will make it like there's like a circle that's white, and it makes it cool texture. And salt makes it look like there's it blocks the paint, and when it dries you'll see kind of white in the spot you put the salt. And if you want to use water's good for it, good to use, because if you want it to flow, it can go a lot of ways. If you need some more paint, you can flow it, and then it will kind of give you a little more paint or something. The dry techniques, you can mix colors with the dry techniques. It's a little bit harder to mix colors with the dry techniques. And the wet techniques, you can make it come together and make it to like a really cool color. And with the wet techniques, and the dry techniques are a little bit harder, so. And I did my background kind of like funky, like it's kind of with all these colors, and I left some white dots out because it may look cool, and I kind of go fast with my brush, and it wasn't that dry and it wasn't that wet. When that happens, that's pretty cool. And if you use the salt, that's when it's like really cool, and it makes like a shine to it. And So it's more like a kind of mixy thing. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hope I see you in the comments.